Welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to have you here. For those of you who are new, I'm Ellie Braun and I'm the gal behind Uptown with Ellie Braun, or at least one of them. We've got many people who help out and help me out to run Uptown. But yeah, welcome. So today's video is gonna be really a follow-up to the original review that I did a few months ago on the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. If you have not checked out that review, hop on over there. I'm gonna link it here or here, somewhere up here, so you can go and check that out. I did an in-depth review on it, answered a few questions and what the first impression really has been like. So today I wanted to kind of come back because it's been a few months. I wanted to share what my skin and my hair growth is looking like and kind of do a follow-up video. And I've been using it every week, and I mean, I raved about this when I first got it, and I'm still raving about it because I think it's just awesome to have this machine at home. It saves you money, it saves you time in having to go somewhere and getting laser hair removal done. So the best way to explain it, like I mentioned in the full review, is this is not really a laser hair removal. This is a IPL, when an IPL is intense pulse lighting. But so far the results have been absolutely incredible. You know, your hair grows in different cycles. So when I show you my leg here, you can see how the hair is very sporadic and how the hair on my legs is not completely, you know, I don't have hair everywhere. It's like little pockets. And that's because your hair does grow in different cycles. I've been using it on my full legs, extended bikini. It is safe to use it on your bikini. I have not had any problems at all. I even reached out to them specifically and made sure, and they said, yes, you can. I've been using it on my underarms as well. I wouldn't say that my hair was like what it was before I had the laser hair removal, but I was having to shave quite often. It was getting annoying and it kind of stinks, but I mean, it was better than it was before. But the reason why I wanted to try the Silk Expert Pro 5 is just because I think it's great to have a machine like this at home and to have, you know, avoid having to go to salons, because going to a salon is crazy expensive. And so being able to do something like this at home and actually see results is incredible. A few things that I have been doing that have kind of helped me. The instructions actually say to shave before. Does it hurt? Like I said, I answered some of these questions in the review. You know, it doesn't really hurt a whole lot. I mean, if you've given birth, this is nothing. This is a piece of cake. Anyways, it has been amazing for me. I have loved the results. I don't shave very often, maybe once a month, if that. I'll show you what it looks like turned on here. Let me plug it in and see if I can just quickly demo and show you what it's like. You buy the machine, it comes with a little case like this, and it also comes with a smaller attachment here that you can kind of like pop this on, and you can target, if you wanted to do your face and like above your lip, you can target smaller areas. You just pop it in like that. Let me show you what it's like when it's on. And you hear it, now it's on, and now it's ready to zap. It doesn't really zap, it's just, see, watch, that's what it's like. Barely feel anything. Now I won't have hair there. But that's what it's like. And you can choose two different methods. You choose a stamping method like this, or you can slowly guide it along your skin, and you'll have to wait for it to flash for you to glide it. I've used both methods. I don't think one works more than the other. And then the nice thing is they have this little sensor adapt here that kind of adapts to your skin. You have, you know, the 3 different levels as well. I use it on the full level. Sometimes the full level can get a little bit sensitive under my underarms. At first, I felt like it was a bit strong, and so I did it on, I use it on the second level. But now that I've used it a few times and I use it weekly, I will use it full force because I want all the hair gone, just gone. But you can see also, because there's nothing on there, I can press this and it won't light. It's not until it's on my skin there that you can see it light up and tell you when it's ready to zap. That is just a little check-in. I will continue using this until all the hair is gone. I honestly don't know how much longer that will be, but I love the results so far. I highly recommend this machine. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick recap. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below. I know I've gotten several questions in the original video, the original review. I would love to help and answer any questions that I can. And if I need to reach out to the brand and ask, I will more than happy to do so for you guys. I know a few of you guys have actually purchased, so for those of you who have purchased, I would love to hear your thoughts. What has it been like? And don't forget, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet and you're new, make sure to subscribe. Thumbs up to like this video, and I will see you guys again here real soon for next video, next week sometime, hopefully, fingers crossed. My kids actually let me get work done. Bye, guys.